So, nice one. Now, the thing is, as I said, it's not going to be a long life. It's going to be a quick one. I'm not going to be in the kitchen for long. I got a medium-sized frying pan on the stove. I'm going to get some olive oil. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in the frying pan. Alright, guys? Not much. Just a tiny bit. Roughly about a teaspoon of olive oil. Alright? Teaspoon of olive oil. That is lovely. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some garlic inside of the pot. 3 cloves of garlic, as you can see. Now the thing is, I have some prawn, which I washed off earlier. And what I'm going to do, yeah, I got a whole heap of prawn, man, I washed off earlier. And I said to myself, you know what, I'm going to just simple, yeah, show my audience them or they can do something totally different at home, alright? Meat-free Monday from Chef Ricardo today. Alright, no time to muck about. Today is Meat-free Monday. Alright, if you love Meat-free Monday, welcome to Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. And I love every one of you guys. Thank you so much for your support and for the time watching this video right now. Alright, yeah. Please join the YouTube channel membership and support Chef Ricardo. Nicole, thank you so much for the donation. If you want to donate to Chef Ricardo YouTube channel, there's a pay button on top of the YouTube channel, which you can also donate to the YouTube channel. Alright, guys? Beautiful one. Alright, so yeah, if you want to donate to the YouTube channel, there is a pay button up to the top where you can donate. Alright, look at this. 3 cloves of garlic. And that's what you need in the front pan right now at the moment. Alright, so I got some prawn. This prawn is already prepped prawn. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop them in the front pan like this. One at a time with that beautiful garlic. So basically, as I said, it is meat-free Monday. You don't have to do fish. You can do bay salad or bay vegetable. You can make a nice, lovely fish soup. Whatever you want to make, guys, it's up to you. You know what I mean? But I'm just simply saying, this is how we normally do it on Meat-free Monday. Yeah, Meat-free Monday is a time where we normally, you know, do something totally different. So right here, this is the prawn, which I'm just pan frying them off at the moment. These are like prep prawn already, guys. They're prep already, prep and ready to eat. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the salt-free season on it, just like this. This is from the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website season. The link will be in the description box. We're gonna put a little bit on it, and secondly, we're gonna put some chili. Lovely and nice. Thirdly, some black pepper, your favorite. Nice one. Yeah, man. Yeah, that looking good. Yeah. Just put some red one in, but then go and crystallize inside of it. Yeah, that looking good, guys. Yeah. That looking good. You know? Yeah, man. So what you want to do? Just spin them around on the front pan like this, you know? Yeah. Beautiful with the garlic and everything. Ah, that is lovely, guys. Look at that. Now, what's going to happen right here? I got some cherry tomato. Alright. Yeah, man. Stir up everything inside of it with the garlic and everything. Beautiful. Look at that. That is such a lovely one. Look at that, guys. So if you're at home and you feel like to do something very quickly, then this come in really handy for you, honestly. You will know exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about if you know This one, alright? So remember, I'm using the salt-free season from the Caribbean Fusion. Let's put a little bit more. That's a tiny little bit more on it. Beautiful one. This is such a lovely one, guys. Look at that. Meat-free Monday. Alright? And that's exactly what we're talking about. That is just so lovely. That is so lovely. Honestly. Alright, you know, prawn is not something where you're overcooking them. You know what I mean? These are some king prawn. Very large king prawn. And you don't want to overcook them. Trust me. Oh, smell that beautiful garlic. Hey, Julie's in the house. Oh my gosh. Julie. Thank you so much for coming in. Big up Julie, man. I need your autograph, you know, Julie. I need your autograph. Trust me. Anyway, thank you so much for coming on the show. Oh, look at that, guys. Julie, take a picture. Let's turn off the stove. Yeah. Take a picture, guys. Take a picture. Jamaica recipe queen, take a picture quickly. You see that? Yeah, that's how we normally do it in the kitchen. Simple, but also delicious. Alright? Yeah, man. Let's get this thing off. We don't need that anymore. And then, you know, as I said, the temperature, you know, still just give this a little bit more. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. I don't want to overcook them too much neither. Alright, let me look on this one. I'm going to try this one. Wow, that is lovely. Oh, yeah, it's beautiful. And it spices up right on it, guys, honestly. Alright. Trust me. Oh, prep pot. Wow. Wow, that is just lovely. Alright. Got the garlic, got the, you know. Yeah, everything inside of it. Alright. To be honest, that's looking amazing. Trust me, meat-free Monday, guys. Something different. Alright? It is meat-free Monday. And it's something totally different. Trust me. Now, choose meat-free Monday. I'm going to show you exactly what I go on the salad plate. Alright, now, yeah, let me show you exactly what I go on right here. Look at this. Alright. Yeah, it's going to be an amazing one. Trust me. Alright, guys, now it's meat-free Monday, and this is how we normally do it. And meat-free Monday. Alright. Yeah. Oh, prep pot. Alright, now it is meat-free Monday. We got some salad. Where should I put the salad? Let's put the salad right here. Lots of mixed leaves. I mean, very good for you. 95% of your plate, Julie, should be salad. Alright? A lot of this should be on your plate. Okay? Then cucumber. is a must. So you do some slices of cucumber and put on the plate. 95% of your plate must be this. You know what I mean? A lot of people doesn't eat a lot of salad, you know. You know what I mean? So we have to tell them, listen guys, eat salad. It is very important for you to eat salad. So right here, I'm just putting on some cucumber. 95% of cucumber is water, so it's very good for you. Nice one. And then what we're going to do, as you can see, we got some lovely, fantastic, and an amazing cherry tomato. Let's put them right here, sir. Trust me guys, any one of you guys can make this at home right now. May I tell you now, for dinner, Meat Free Monday, and a brand new YouTube channel. My Chef Ricardo YouTube channel is changed now to a brand new YouTube channel. Alright? Jolie, 95% of your plate must be this. Alright? Look at that. Alright? And this is the garlic. You just drop the garlic on top because lockdown is open. Everything is open up back now, you know. Alright? But you know, still can't go to the rest of the restaurant them yet. Give the restaurant them a little bit of time for break up first, you know. Then you just put those king prawn right here. Alright? Jolie, you see that? Let's put... No, I can't put this in the bin. We have to eat it. Look at that. Oh, that is amazing. Wow. Alright. Meat Free Monday. I know fish is not meat, you know. Fish is different, guys. Alright. Yeah. Fish is different. That is a beautiful, lovely plate for Meat Free Monday. Alright guys, as you can see it for yourself. This is how we normally do it in the kitchen. Alright, so as I said, brand new YouTube channel. And as I said, 90% of your plate must be salad, and the other rest of percentage is just fiber. It's just like meat or something what you're gonna eat. But on a Meat Free Monday, it's totally different, guys. Alright, and that's the way how we normally do it in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. So we're just gonna take the time out to say thank every one of you guys who are watching.